So what makes our firm different than other law firms? I think there's a lot of factors, mainly just who we are. We're down-to-earth people. I'm from the middle of nowhere, Iowa, and I bring those Midwest values into everything that we do. Just a great appreciation and respect for people of all backgrounds. Also, our mission. So we kind of have a weird mission. We want to spread across Colorado and then maybe other states as well to kind of change the practice of law in its entirety. And that might seem like a lot from a little estate planning law firm, but a lot of us have worked for bigger law firms and even big corporations, and we kind of know how people at the bottom of the ladder kind of get the worst of stuff, and the partners maybe kind of taking it easy on a golf course somewhere. And our partners in the firm see our clients. The attorney you start with is the attorney you finish with. And we want to respect everyone. We want a sanctuary for people to come and actually enjoy their job. So you don't get what we call the Sunday scaries, where you don't want to go to work on Monday. But also our clients, they're not just a number, they're people. And especially with estate planning and probate, the other side, they're dealing with the loss of a loved one. And we get to help them see the light at the end of the tunnel. That really differentiates us. And then also our experience. I've written a book on estate planning, somehow hit the bestsellers list. People must need some stuff to go to sleep at night, but all kinds of information in that book on what estate planning is, even how to do it yourself. And then I used to work at the public administrator's office, which is an office absolutely no one's heard of, but it's kind of like the public defender's office for criminal law. The public administrator's office is that for estate planning and probate. So we kind of saw the worst of the worst cases. So I've seen lots and lots of estate plans. I've seen the good ones. I've seen the bad ones. And we kind of made a firm with the goal of keeping everyone out of that office, making sure their plans work and that people can avoid court and save thousands of dollars in the legal process on the way. Yeah, when you hire an attorney, there are a few things you want to know, but most importantly, you should just get along with the lawyer. You're going to be working with this person for a while, depending on what area you're looking for. Specifically with estate planning and probate, they're going to get to know everything about you, your assets, your financial situation, your kids, your whole family, all the issues that are there. So number one is, do you like them and do you trust them? If you pick up some shady vibes, I'd recommend talking to somebody else. But everyone always wants to know, how do you charge? Some attorneys are hourly. You want to know what that rate is. Some don't charge until the end. Some charge up front. Some take a retainer. Here we do flat fees, so everyone knows what they're paying up front. And if you don't like it, you don't have to pay it. But that price doesn't change. And I'd say those are the main things. One other thing that's really important that people want to know is who's the attorney you're going to be working with. Sometimes firms like to pull the old bait and switch where you get the partner on your first meeting and then you're with an associate for the rest of the time. We don't operate that way. That's not to say it's right or wrong, but the attorney you start with is the attorney you finish with here.